What is the best operating system for hacking? Some operating systems have become popular among security researchers and penetration testers. The best operating system for hacking depends on the type of hacking you are doing. Kali Linux is the most popular operating system for penetration testing and hacking, with over 600 built-in tools designed for network and system testing, vulnerability assessment, and forensics. It comes with several tools such as Metasploit Framework, Nmap, Aircrack-ng, and Wireshark that can be used to detect and exploit vulnerabilities in a system. Another popular operating system for hacking is Parrot Security OS, which is designed for privacy, security, and penetration testing. It features an extensive collection of tools and frameworks, including anonymity, cryptography, and forensics tools. BlackArch Linux is another operating system designed for penetration testing and security auditing. It contains over 2,000 tools and utilities, which make it one of the most extensive repositories of hacking tools. It also has a rolling release model, which ensures that it is always up to date with the latest tools and updates. In conclusion, the best operating system for hacking depends on the type of hacking being performed. However, Kali Linux, Parrot Security OS, and BlackArch Linux are some of the most popular operating systems used for penetration testing and security auditing. It's worth noting that using these operating systems for any illegal activities is unethical, and the consequences can be severe.